Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that someday I have a YouTube channel that um, have 3 million subscribers. I think I don't know, maybe yeah, maybe. So I can. Okay, I don't know. I want to talk what I don't know what I want to say. I don't know what I want to say because yeah, my English is not fluent. So now I'm practicing my English and practice my English uh, in in order to make my English fluent. I want to have English skill. So yeah, what else? Yeah, what else that I should talk? So today I feel happy because finally I can make a plan, with my team, and I don't know. It feels uh, it feels um, easy for me um, to menjalankan hari itu apa ya? To start the day and enjoy the day. I don't know why today I feel more enjoy than yesterday and way before now, and I feel I have um, I have uh, what is it? What 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 is it? I don't know. Oh my God, my English is lack. I understand what other people say, but I cannot speak in English fluently because I don't have any vocabulary, and my neurons isn't connecting each other. Okay, because I I'm not used to it. I'm not used to it. Okay. Okay. This will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, day one I speak in English. Okay. I I want to speak in English for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's my therapy for speaking English. If my voice is recorded or not. Yeah. Um, honestly, I recording today. I record this because of this book. In this book, it says that if you want to have skill rapidly, and you have to practice. You have to practice for 20 hours. You have to practice it, and not just learning but practice. Practice then, and it become easy for me to um, speak in English fluently. Okay, and I know this is not good. It feels uncomfortable because I don't like I don't like it if I cannot speak English fluently. But I have to face it. I have to accept it, and and evaluate what part that I have to fix, what part that I have to study.